The foundation of your garden: healthy soil. Healthy soil is key to a thriving garden. It provides nutrients, water, and support for strong roots and vibrant plants. Think of it as the foundation of your garden. Strong soil, strong plants. Good soil encourages beneficial organisms that help break down organic matter, improving soil structure and nutrient availability. This creates a healthy ecosystem where plants can thrive. Just like we need a balanced diet, plants need a variety of nutrients from the soil. Healthy soil ensures they have access to everything they need to grow strong. Without healthy soil, plants become weak, susceptible to diseases, and may not produce to their full potential. Investing in your soil is an investment in your garden's success. Before you start planting, it's crucial to assess your soil's condition. A few simple checks can save you a lot of trouble down the road. One easy test is the squeeze test. Grab a handful of moist soil and squeeze it. If it forms a tight ball that doesn't crumble easily, you have clay soil. If it falls apart easily, it's sandy soil. A good loam soil will hold its shape briefly before gently crumbling. Another test is to check drainage. Dig a hole about 12 inches deep and fill it with water. If it drains within a few hours, your soil drainage is good. If it takes more than 24 hours, you have drainage issues to address. Observing your garden can also reveal soil clues. Are certain areas consistently wetter than others? Do plants struggle to grow in specific spots? These signs can indicate underlying soil problems. Deficiencies. Even if your soil isn't perfect, there are simple solutions to common problems. Let's look at a few. Problem: compacted soil. Solution: aerate your lawn annually and add compost to improve structure. Problem: poor drainage. Solution: amend clay soil with organic matter, like compost or peat moss, to improve drainage. Problem: nutrient deficiencies. Solution: conduct a soil test to determine specific nutrient needs and amend accordingly with organic fertilizers. Regularly adding organic matter, like compost or well-rotted manure, can help improve most soil issues. It's like giving your soil a vitamin boost. Section 4. DIY Soil Mix. The recipe for happy plants. Creating your own soil mix gives you control over the ingredients and ensures your plants have the best possible start. Here's a simple recipe. 1/3 garden soil. Provides a base and existing microorganisms. 1/3 compost. Rich in nutrients and improves soil structure. 1/3 peat moss or coco coir. Enhances drainage and moisture retention. Combine these ingredients thoroughly in a wheelbarrow or on a tarp. You can adjust the ratios slightly based on your soil type and plant needs. This basic recipe provides a balanced growing medium suitable for most plants. For specific plant requirements, you can further amend the mix with additional ingredients like perlite for drainage or vermicast for added nutrients. Section 5. Soil Testing and Improvement. Giving your garden an extra boost. Soil testing provides valuable insights into your soil's pH level and nutrient content. You can purchase DIY soil test kits or send samples to a professional lab. Based on the test results, you can make informed decisions about soil amendments. For example, if the pH is too low, meaning it's too acidic, you can add lime to raise it. If the test reveals nutrient deficiencies, you can choose fertilizers that address those specific needs. Improving soil health is an ongoing process. Continue adding organic matter, practicing crop rotation to prevent nutrient depletion, and using cover crops in the off-season to protect and enhance your soil.